Welcome to CDH's Cross-Border Family Channel. My name is Ko Fujimoto. Welcome. I am going to talk about 3 things you must do before you leave for your permanent foreign living. Maybe it's a retirement or second career, or could be anything, but it's exciting. But I want you to watch out for 3 things that I am going to discuss. Okay, first, password and verify. Set up an alternative way for account verification. U.S. banks and the financial institutions, U.S. banks and the financial institutions do not send a text to you to your foreign phone. I think I could be wrong, right? But because I don't know every single financial institutions in the United States and their policies, but I am guessing that the majority of the financial institution would not send a text to your foreign phones. They would send a text to your U.S. phone. I'm not sure internationally, okay? But, in today's day-to-day life, it's a 2-step verification is very common. And, when I work on my accounts on the computer, I get a text to my cell phone and get a 6-digit code, okay? There are 6 digits, and then I enter 6 digits. Then I can start working on my account. Imagine that you can't, once you leave for foreign country, you get to foreign country, okay, let me work on my US account. Wow, I can't receive a text. So if that happens, you cannot verify your identity, meaning you're stuck. You can't go any further. So what I recommend you to do is you must find an alternative way before you leave, okay? Verify your identity, such as, okay, I set up a second email account and I get code and my personal account, and then, enter the code to my business account or business, using a business email as my business email address as my kind of a user email for my financial institution, banks and investment accounts and so forth, right? Obviously, again, I don't know every single alternative way to do 2-step verifications. So you must check with your financial institution to see what they can do for you. And I would not recommend borrowing your family or friend's cell phone number, and I think it's a hassle, obviously, right? They receive a code, and the code will expire in 10 minutes, and you are overseas. Obvious, it's not a good idea. Okay, second point. Social Security, and some of you are very young, may not have to worry about Social Security, but I want to point out this. So set up a My Social Security account in Social Security website, Social Security Administration's website, right? There is a picture, and sign in or create an account. If you don't have an account yet, create an account before you leave for a foreign country. Because number one, and I'm not advocate of a Social Security Administration, but you can do a lot of things electronically in the Social Security website. And to do so, you must have an account. However, I recently found out that the menu or questions in creating a Social Security my Social Security account, they ask for your address, and they don't take a foreign address. So that means you must set it up before you leave for a foreign country. Same advice here. Avoid using family or friends' addresses because it's not your permanent address. So I think it's good to set it up now, even if you may go for a foreign country 5 years from now. It's good to set it up when you are in the U.S. If you move over already, you can't set it up unless you borrow somebody's address, and which is not good. Right? Good. And I'm sure the Social Security Administration, the website also has a two-step verification process, and you must think of a way to be able to pass the two-step verification process too. So if you don't have a account, my Social Security account now, try to set it up by selecting create an account, and you see when you get to the section where you enter your address, it only takes the US address. I mean, it lists all the states, but not all the countries. Okay? The last point. Obtain US Residency Certification. It's called Form 6166. This is a form, IRS form, to claim income tax treaty benefits and certain other tax benefits. I think once you file your 1040, your income tax return, then the IRS has that record, and they can send you this form 6166, basically certifying you are a resident of the United States. And there is another form called 8802. This is a form where you enter certain information and use that form to request form 6166. 6166 is a residency certification, and there is a fee associated with it, maybe I think $75 or $80. And now this is a problem. Plan ample time. It's not like next day you get a certificate. No, the website, I think it says 2 months. I think 2 months, or maybe 2 months, so 8 weeks. But the COVID-19, coronavirus pandemic, everybody got affected, and so as IRS, the processing time is getting longer. Maybe it's better now, but please anticipate a delay and plan ahead. Schedule an ample time for you to obtain this certificate. And certificate says, I certify that to the best of our knowledge that above mentioned or above named taxpayer is a resident of the United States of America for purpose of the blah blah blah. Why do I need this certificate? Well, when you go to foreign country, I think, when you go to foreign country, right, wherever you wanna set up something, you wanna set up your insurance or life insurance or driver's license or I don't know, the residency setup, credit card, bank accounts, investment account, and they want to know, obviously, they want to know, okay, you said you lived in the United States, but is there a proof? Proof. Show us a proof, because in our electric database, nothing that shows me that you lived in the United States. And I think in that case, you have a certification from the IRS. I think it helps a lot. And I think certain things such as a pension benefits, this form is mandatory to prove that you are a U.S. resident. So I think it doesn't hurt that you have these forms in your hand. So this is my third and last recommendation. This is my disclaimer. And CDH, Cross-Border Family Practice. CDH is an accounting firm, and Cross-Border Family Practice is the section where we assist cross-border family. Okay? Looking for new team members, and we publish books about income taxation for individuals, especially cross-border families. And this year, for last 2 years, we published the book in Japanese, but this year we are going to publish in Japanese and in English. So please buy our English book. Okay? Thank you, and have a great day, and thank you for watching my video. Take care.